Hi, it's Dorothy Guinan with Scrapbooking Quebec. In this video, I'm going to share my Scrappy kit and plans for December 2023. My 12 by 12 kit is small this month because most of my scrapbooking will be in my 8 by 10 December daily album. I did a separate video devoted to products and organization for December daily, so that video is listed and linked below. Nevertheless, I am super excited about my 12 by 12 kit. So let's have a look at what I'll be playing with in December. Mostly what I'm going to be digging into is this basket. This is where I'm keeping my December daily supplies for 2023. Most of this is from the Ali Edwards December daily collection. And like I mentioned earlier, there is a video on my channel where I went through that entire basket and I actually organized the basket. So that video is linked up below. That's why I'm not showing it to you in this video. What I am going to show you is the Joy collection. This is the November 2023 Mercy Tiara Kit Club release. It is a sampling of several different Christmas collections. Now, the first four papers I showed you there were all from the Paige Evans Sugar Plum Wishes collection. That cut apart sheet and polka dot paper I just showed you is a past crepe paper collection. These three papers are all from Echo Park Paper, and they are from two different Christmas collections, Holly Jolly Christmas and Happy Holidays. The next two floral papers are from Cartabella. They are from Peaceful Christmas Flora, and this wreath paper is from Vicki Boutin's Peppermint Kisses collection. I bought the Joy main kit, and what that came with in addition to these papers, there were two pieces of cardstock. So there was this red glittery paper along with that bright fun green cardstock that looks really nice with that Paige Evans collection. I brought in some of my own cardstock, so I'm showing you I have two different whites, kind of a cooler white and a warmer white. I found they both went well with this Joy collection. I also brought in some green and red cardstock. So I obviously have more white, red, and green cardstock, but I just like to have a selection within my kit. That way, if I need more, I know I can dig into my stash. The decision is made. Now, with this main kit, there were several embellishment packs, including three from that Paige Evans collection. This is one of them. It's a 12 by 12 foam sticker sheet, so it's really cool. It's dimensional. There's also this ephemera pack here, and there is an alpha collection. And in this alpha collection, there's actually two alphas. One of them is multicolored, and the other one is like a red gold foil. That is an embellishment pack from Vicki Boutin's Peppermint Kisses collection. It's called a goodie bag. So there's acetate in there, vellum, along with ephemera. There is also three gold foil doilies. There's also this really nice exclusive sequin pack, and I'm showing it next to that Echo Park paper, plaid paper. It looks gorgeous there. Also, in this main kit, there were three little paper clips, and if you look closely, there's a little heart in each one of those paper clips. So my collections are all going to be in these plastic envelopes. I always do that. That's where all of the flat pieces go. And in this three-tiered tray is where bulky stuff goes, or stuff that can go with all of the collections like alphas, enamel dots, stuff like that. Here's the next collection I'm going to show you. It is Vicki Boutin's Peppermint Kisses collection. So what I have here are a bunch of papers. I don't have all of the papers, but I have quite a few of them. And for most of them, I have two of each. You're going to see in a moment, I show you a tag paper. And in that tag paper, I only bought one of them. I plan to cut that up, so I only need one of them. For this hexagon paper, which I absolutely love, I'm showing you I have four here, and I bought it for both sides. That green is absolutely gorgeous and will be great for matting photos. So you can see I have quite a bit of paper here, but in a moment, I'm going to show you the specialty paper, and I end up opening it up because as I'm doing this product share, I think I have acetate, but written on the packaging, it says printed vellum. So I'm opening it up just to make sure, and sure enough, it is acetate. You can see it's kind of plasticky there, and it's got white printed snowflakes on top of it. Once again, I do bring in cardstock from my stash, and for this collection, I bring in white, black, and green. Once again, I know I will need more. I just put these in so that my selection is made. For embellishments, I have the 12 by 12 foam sticker sheet. I have alphas, and once again, 2 alphas in one pack, gold and black. I have these puffy titles. I also have the Papyri pack, so that's like an ephemera pack, only there are more pieces, but they are really, really thin. I have the little tassel pack, and each one of them has these little shaker baubles on them. And I also have chipboard here. So you can see they are quite big. They are in black and white and have a matte finish. They're also quite thick, which I don't particularly like, but I just tested them and it's easy to peel off some of the layers. Also, I just brought in that other embellishment pack that was in the Joy collection that I showed you a moment ago, and I'm putting that in the communal tray here because I know it can go with both collections. So once again, in that communal 3-tiered tray, I've got things that can go with everything like titles and alphas and enamel dots, but I also have bulky stuff. So you can see my collections are each in packages, but I'm also showing you another one. I'm not going to show you the entire collection. I put this together in my kit building video in November. It is Simple Stories Harvest Market with Stash. I didn't use it in November, but I need something that's non-Christmassy in my December kit in case I'm not in the mood to scrapbook Christmas or December. So that I'm putting right in my December kit. And now what you see me doing is showing you a bunch of stash I'm bringing in and I'm going to put in this 3-tiered tray. So I've already put in clear and metallic enamel dots. I put in a diamond shaped die set. I just showed you some holly and berry sequins from Stampin' Up. Super, super cute. I'm about to show you some embellishments that I actually made last year and never used. I created these with stamps and dies from Elizabeth Craft Designs. Black and white, very neutral, like the style. So who knows, maybe I'll use them this year. I have some rub-ons from 49 and Market. I never did have the collection. I just have these rub-ons. The colors seem to work well with a lot of what's in my kit this month. There's also some pretty general images as well. I have those nesting tree dies from the scrapbook.com. I also have this wreath die from the scrapbook.com that I received as a freebie at one point. That's a stamp set from Elizabeth Craft Designs. I just wanted to point that out because I found it particularly useful last year for my December daily. There's numbers 1 through 31, and they were a really nice size and font. Now I'm bringing in a bunch of alpha stickers. So I had some wood grain ones from Simple Stories. I'm showing you I have sparkly gold alphas, sparkly silver alphas. These are matte silver. I find in December, silver and gold go really, really well. I have those red foam alphas from Simple Stories, and those are typewriter alphas again from Simple Stories. I'm bringing in a bit of specialty paper, that wood paper from Simple Stories. I use it all the time. I have some printed vellum from Stampin' Up, along with that gold paper from Stampin' Up. So all of that's going in my 3-tiered communal bin there. And now what I'm going to do is show you, basically it's a basket of tools. What I did was I went through my Christmas section of tools. I have way more in my stash, but what I did was I pulled out a sampling. So in this basket, I have some stencils, embossing folders, dies, and stamps. Now, if I need more, I can dig into my stash, but I have a nice selection in this basket that's going to be right beside my desk. And I've been doing this for a few years in December, and it works really, really well for me. It's just convenient, it's close by, and that's mostly what I scrapbook in December. So basically, that is it for the December products. That's what I have in my kit for this month. Again, mostly what I will be playing with is probably going to be December daily, but I will be doing some 12 by 12 pages as well. So, as always, I am super excited to be digging into new material. I really love this process of selecting material for my monthly kits. It just keeps me really, really motivated. That's where I store my monthly kits. It's in a Razcog that I keep just behind my desk. And you can see beside it, I have my project cart. On top of it, that's where my December daily products are. Now, while talking about my December plans, I want to show still shots for each one of these collections I just shared. December is Christmas month, and what I do is I kind of go with the flow in December. My plan is to fully enjoy creating my December daily. I absolutely love that project. As for YouTube, I plan to go with the flow. Typically at the beginning of the month, I have a schedule, kind of a plan, what I plan to do on YouTube on any given month, except in December. Now, I had a video yesterday, or if all goes according to plan, there would have been a video on my channel yesterday. And I may do another one or two or whatever throughout the month. It totally depends. I just do not have a schedule for December. There is one I would like to do in December. I did quite a few pages for Crop and Create in November. I think I did. At this point, I'm up to 34 pages and I have 2 more that I want to do. Now, I would like to do a layout share on YouTube for that in December, but I have to have the time to do it. So we shall see for that. Also, at the end of the month, no doubt I will do a project share. So that is basically it. As always, if you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, Scrapbooking Quebec, I would be absolutely thrilled if you did. And if you are a subscriber, thank you very, very much. Have a wonderful December, and I will see you soon on YouTube. Bye-bye.